Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot, so hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be doing a resin dirty pour trinket dish in this gorgeous flower mold. So let's jump in and get started. To mix up my orange, I actually used this alcohol ink and this orange mica from S RESIN. I mixed those two together to get this color of orange. And for my white gold, I'm using this white gold pigment from Laura's Art Corner. It's super pretty and pearlescent. And my gold, I'm using the Fairy Dust Gold Glass Glitter from Laura's Art Corner. Say that 5 times fast. It's a little bit of a tongue twister. And I just sprinkled some of that into about a ½ ounce of clear resin. And today I'm using the Liquid Diamonds resin. It's great for projects like this. This mold is about 1 inch deep and it can be poured up to 1 inch. So I love to use it for projects like this. And the glass glitter is heavy, so it will start sinking right away. So just mix it into your resin and then pour it right away. Otherwise it'll start sinking, and then when you start pouring it'll just be a lot of clear, and then all your glitter will be at the bottom of your cup. So I'm just pouring in that gold glass glitter right in the center of my mold, and then going down, kind of lining the petals inside the mold. And this glass glitter is heavy, like I said, so it is going to stay in place nicely. It's not going to float. It's going to stay right where you pour it. And I know my cup looks like I had a different type of gold glitter in there too, but I reuse my mixing cups over and over, so that was from a previous pour. Basically what I do is I just let my mixing cups sit upright on my table. The resin will set up inside the cup, and then you're good to use it on your next project. Your old colors won't bleed into your new colors as long as your resin is mixed up properly. So now we're going to go in and do our dirty pour. This is just an 8-ounce cup. I'm going to start layering my colors. I'm going to go in with that orange that I mixed up with the alcohol ink and the mica powder, adding a little bit of white gold, and then I'm going to pour in some clear. And I'm going to just do that 2 times in this cup, and then we're going to pour it into our mold. Super easy to do. I did mix up my resin off camera just to save time, but if you're new to resin and you want to see a tutorial showing step by step how I mix my resin, I will link one of my tutorials down below in the description box. Be sure to go check it out. In that video I show step by step how I mix my resin. I did make a short 1-minute video showing how I mix my Liquid Diamonds resin, and I posted that on my TikTok. But if you guys want me to post that here, let me know down in the comments and I can upload it here to YouTube as well. But if you're on TikTok and you're not following me, definitely check me out on TikTok and Instagram as well. I'll link my accounts down below in the description box. You can go check me out on there as well. So I did have a few bubbles in my cup, so I sprayed it with some 91% isopropyl alcohol, and that just popped the bubbles right away. Now I'm just pouring it right into my mold. No real rhyme or reason. I was just trying to get each of the petals covered up, and this mold takes about 9 ounces to fill up all the way. So I'm going to pour a little bit of clear into my cup, and that was just because I wanted to pick up that little bit of orange that was left in the bottom of my cup, and I'm just going to fill the mold up the rest of the way with clear resin. Super easy to make these. And my friend Carrie at Blue Create Molds started selling this mold on her website. So if you guys have been wanting this mold, definitely check her out. I will link it down below. I have made a few pieces like this on my channel previously, and I know a lot of people were wanting the mold. And I had made a mold like this by myself, but I sent the flour that I used to make the mold to my friend, and she's a professional mold maker. Her molds are amazing, so definitely check her out if you want to get this mold. She has it available on her website. So I just finished filling the mold up with clear, did a little swirl to blend the colors, and that was it. Let it dry overnight. Here we are the next day, ready to demold it. I was so excited to see how this one turned out because I wasn't sure about the orange that I had mixed up. I didn't know how it was going to look, but it ended up looking really pretty. And when you demold this guy, it is a little tricky to demold. What I like to do is just go around the petals, pull the petal down off of the resin piece, and just continue to do that, working your way around each of the petals. And eventually you'll be able to pull out one of the petals just like this, and then it'll pop right out of the mold. You just have to go around the mold a few times and release each of the petals just to break that seal, and then the flower dish will pop right out. But here's how it turned out. I absolutely love, love, love the color. You can see it's got a really nice depth to it as well. So you could use this as a trinket dish for small items, rings, keys, or you could just use it as decoration. You can even take some command tape and hang them up on the wall that way too, just as like a wall decor or just some artwork on the wall. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you give this a try. I'll link all the materials down below in the description box that I used, along with any coupon codes that I have. And let me know what color I should do next down in the comments. I just love the color of this one. It's got a really nice gradient effect on the petals, going from that white gold out to the orange around the perimeter of the petal. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys soon for another video. Bye guys.